Oh, finally the Awning came today. So I already took up this foam there. Got excited, and let's see what it looks like. Man, seems the material is good and looks thick, but I'm not sure inside, so we're gonna install this in there. And there's some provided brackets here. There's instruction, hardware, and there's some tools and some bracket, and we got another bracket here. So let's see how I'm gonna mount this, so we'll see. So I went to Home Depot to buy this. It's a U-shaped clamps. I'm gonna show you why I bought this, because it's gonna be on the rack. It's gonna be like that, and then I'm gonna do is going to be like that. So before we do that, I think it's the best idea to insert this now. So I'm gonna have a problem. This one unthreaded is a little bit too long, so I don't have a spacer or shimes, so I'm gonna use this washer lock, so you know, to fill up that and install it here. Right now I'm just using my head just to hold it, and I'm gonna put some lock washer here just to fill up that unthreaded. So 4, I think that's enough, and another 4 here, or 3. Can't see what I'm doing there, but I hope I'm doing it right. Okay, I think that's gonna hold for a while. Then the other side. So this one I bolted on the bike rack. Good thing it's the same size with this, so yeah, it's gonna be like it's gonna be a strong attachment there. So yeah, we're just gonna tie this down. We're gonna add another one here too, just to make sure it's gonna be, you know, strong enough, and so it won't slide, you know, down. But we gotta make sure this one is super tight. We don't want it to sliding down. So everything is fully tied now. It's not going anywhere, so I'm happy with it. And then let's see, we're gonna open it and let's see what it look like. Nagbibidyo siya. Tada! Okay guys, so this is the awning here, and as you can see I'm 6 foot tall and it doesn't touch my head, and my car is a little bit high too, so that helps too. So far I love the awning, even though it's cheap. The material is really good though. It's really good and I love it though. And I'm gonna put another awning in the other side, so I'm gonna buy another one. And next time I'm gonna put lights on the awning. It's gonna be over there and some in here and here. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to inspire me to do more video like this. And I see you in the next video again guys, so